Alright, we'll do this. What is up, Sir Monster here, back at it with another e-bike unboxing and review video. This is from Turboant. I'm really excited to put this together. Let's check it out.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one, I don't, yeah.
Take out the knife. Oh, this is gonna be so much easier than the Vitaland, because the Vitaland came in like a giant block of foam that you had to break apart and it got so messy, but this is gonna be a little easier to unbox. These look like 4-inch fat tires. Got the disc brakes. Oh, I'm just gonna take the bike out. Nice. Alright, let's clean up all this garbage and then we'll put it together. This is the Thunder T1 fat tire electric bike from Turboant. Typical range is 37 miles. It can carry up to 165 pounds. Max speed 19.9 miles per hour. We'll see about that. That's all you gotta know. Alright, let's turn it on. System on off. Hold down the power button for 3 seconds to turn the e-bike system. It is literally stronger than you.
Oh no, I got it.
And this is an athlete. I feel like that can't be good for it, but... Aha! So that's how you take the battery out. Alright, nice clean display here. We got the battery indicator. Mile per hour. Your mode. And your trip distance. Just a couple more things about this bike. First of all, I like the red, it matches me. Second of all, it's got nice reflective rim tape around both wheels, so at night you're really going to be visible. It has 3 modes, either pedal assist, no pedal assist, or throttle only. The battery is removable. It's got a USB port charger. It's got hydraulic front suspension and cable disc brakes. This is a commuter, it's not a Sur-Ron, it's not going to go over 30 miles an hour, but it's street legal and it's definitely going to get you A to B. But let me just ride it real quick before I say anything else. This actually feels really nice right off the bat. It's got 5 power modes. I'm just gonna start in mode 5, full send. I'm so small. It's not doing anything. Oh, that's a kill button. So when you hit the red button, it doesn't do anything. Oh, not shabby. Pedals feel nice, very solid. Seat's not too uncomfortable, it's not too bad. This actually feels really nice right off the bat. We got Aaron on the pain board. Actually, I want to wait for them to come by. Yeah, Snook. Trying out the Ron. Alright, so that's my unboxing and review of the Turboant Thunder T1. Nice bike, good commuter. Nothing too fancy, but also everything you could need. I like the removable battery, that's convenient. It's got the good fenders, nice comfy seat, good throttle, good handles, brakes are decent, suspension's decent. Overall, good commuter bike, street legal, nice and fast. You don't have to pedal, don't burn any calories. As always, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.
Yeah, I'm on my